We're now questioning Karnataka Medical Education Minister over the shortage of ICU beds in the city of Bengaluru. The minister admitted to the shortage and said that the government is working on resolving the issue. When asked on why no action has been taken against the private hospitals for not reserving COVID beds as per the government quota, the minister said that not all private hospitals are at fault. Let's listen in.
Joining me now is the Medical Education Minister of Karnataka, Dr. K. Sudhakar. First of all, sir, I'd like to start by asking you, we're seeing a severe shortage of ventilator beds both in government hospitals and in private hospitals, and several patients are having to wait for hours before they can get a ventilator bed. What is the government doing on this front?
See, the ICU beds, whatever is available, it's been completely utilized. Of course, in private sector, there are beds and which we are allocating to our patients. There are some shortcomings which I wouldn't deny, but we are trying our best to ramp up and we are increasing the capacity of ICUs as well. If you observe from the past 2 months, there is a increase in the numbers that the corporate hospitals are also giving, but not to the tune of 50% as agreed upon. We have posted a nodal officer on each hospital. Now we will ensure that every hospital is utilized at least to 50%.
So there was a situation over the weekend where BBMP nodal officers themselves were being unable to, coordinate with the hospitals and provide beds.
If there are non-COVID patients who are already admitted, it will be very difficult for them. That is why we had given them enough time, sufficient time before only, that you should not, you should give us 50% of the bed facility or ICU facility and ventilators to the COVID patients alone. So they had enough time, but still if they are carrying on, this is not fair on them. There is no death because of the lack of beds or anything. We are making every day. I am in charge of this, so we are monitoring. We are at least every day we are trying to get 20-25 people get admitted to the different various hospitals. This is a very humanitarian issue. If corporate hospitals don't understand, then the government will be forced to take a decision on them.
Okay.